Right, we're here working on 1965 Alcort Sunfish wave. We've got a loose flotation block inside of the hull, and what these Sunfish are constructed, they put extruded polystyrene foam inside. There's port, starboard, and up by the bow. And you can see these white blocks, the extruded blocks, they're held in with two-part marine grade expanding foam. There's the looking aft, that's the daggerboard trunk right there. Look it down at this block here. There's some of the old foam right there and the white foam below it. So we've wedged this block back into position. We're going to pour new foam right with the old foam. It's going to get back out of the dungeon here. And that foam will fill in the gaps, and as it expands, it's a tenacious adhesive also, so it's going to stick that block in there where it'll be good for another 55 years. So what you do, this foam particular, it's a 2 pound density, means you get 2 pounds per cubic inch of foam that you put in there for flotation. It's mostly closed cell. That means it's resistant to water and oil intrusion getting in there, making the foam block itself heavy. So when we do this two-part, you're going to pour 2 or 3 cups, depending on how much the first cup covers. But we're going to go ahead and go up to this 4-cup mark right here, and this is laid out on a gradient 1-to-1 mixture, which is what this foam is. So we'll pour the first part up to here to 4, and then we'll pour the second part up to this other 4, and then we start mixing it. And once you see that the foam is starting to rise a little bit, or you're holding the cup in your hand, you feel your hand start to get a little warm, that's the time to stop mixing and start pouring, because it will expand a lot. You'll see one of the cups after we're done with the little remnant left in it. It'll fill the whole cup and most likely bubble out the top. So we're going to get going on this, and we'll check back in with you in a minute.